Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're going to be doing like a makeup reset video. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and rearrange some of my makeup. Plan on taking all of my lip products and put them in here. Y'all, when I tell y'all I'm so excited to do this. So basically in this drawer, I just have like my bronzers right here. Then this is my blush drawer. Here's my second blush drawer. Here's my highlighters, other highlighter drawer. I got a lot of highlighters, and then here's my other highlighter drawer. Okay, so I'm just gonna take everything out, and I'll just have you guys watch me. First drawer right here, I want to put all of my lip liners. I got a lot of lip liners, and majority of these are brown. I don't know why I got so many. I'm gonna take my lippy sticks. I don't have a lot of these. I got liquid lipsticks in here. I don't have a lot of like lippy sticks and like lip duos, and like lip crayons. So I'm just gonna take those and add them as well. I know it look a mess. I'm gonna go through here and declutter because I can get rid of some. I really can. But this is, oh my god, I'm gonna love this because this is gonna be like easy access for me. So let me take these out. To start with my liquid lipsticks. I don't know why I got so many lipsticks. I don't use, like, I have certain ones that I like. But I'm gonna go through here and declutter whenever I get a chance. So we're just gonna start putting them in here and see what the outcome is. Do the MY-REE lipsticks in here. And I can always come back and organize. I just want to put everything in its spot at the moment. I hope everything fits. I might have to take this out. This is the last drawer. This is all of my Proper Beauty, and then this is all of my MAC lipsticks. I need to go through my MAC lipsticks because I don't know what I get. I'm going to remove all of my blushes. I think I'm gonna put all of my NYX. This is Milky Gloss in here, and along with some other stuff. I gotta clear out this drawer. Ugh, something in here. Broke. Garbage. Throw it away. Now this drawer is just a bunch of random lip glosses. and the different sizes. Like, I don't even feel like putting it together, like all the different random sizes. I want to declutter some stuff and then like reorganize, but we're just putting everything in, just finding everything at home. So I'm gonna go through this, add some more stuff in this drawer, kind of organize this, and then I'll come back. And I need to get the NYX lip glosses in here first, and therefore I can come back to this drawer, because what I'm gonna do is put all of my NYX lip glosses in here, and my mini, like the little tiny, like this, you know, like lip glosses this size, I'm gonna put them in here as well. So therefore I can have room in this drawer. So yeah, and I want to stand them up, but they're too tall, clearly. So I'm just gonna have to lay them like this. Oh my God, I really wish that they can stand up. So the first drawer is my liquid lipsticks, and I don't have a lot, so they're just in here any old kind of way. I have anything from like Morphe, Milani, Beauty Supply Store, Too Faced, Fenty, Dose of Colors. So yeah, just a little bit of everything. Dollar Tree. Here I have all of my Proper Beauty, which is a black owned lipstick brand. I have every single last shade from them in here, and then these are all of my MAC lipsticks and some limited edition shades, and then I think I have some Beauty Supply Store lipsticks as well. So yeah, don't mind that. I got so much stuff to organize. So lipstick drawer, I believe this is like drugstore, Beauty Supply, ColourPop, Dollar Tree, Juvia's Place, NARS, Makeup Revolution, ELF. This is my lip glosses. I got Nicka K, then I got NYX down there, Absolute New York, I got Nana Coco, I got Give Cosmetics, I got ELF over here, Absolute Ruby Kisses, I believe, and I got all my Morphe down here. So that's what it looked like. I just tried to organize it the best that I can, because I just, you know, that's all I can do. And in here, this is basically all of my random lip glosses that are different colors, different shapes and sizes. So these are just random lip glosses, and majority of these probably are from like Marshall, TJ Maxx, Give Me Glow Cosmetics. Yeah, I just got a bunch of, these are just random. Essence, Gloss. So all of those are random. Makeup Revolution, Juvia's Place. These are my MAC lip glosses in here. Yeah, and what's at the bottom, child? Hold on, let's see. Oh, some more MAC. Yeah, just a bunch of random. In this drawer was supposed to be all of my NYX. So these are all of my NYX lip glosses right here. I had a different vision for this drawer, because I thought I had more NYX lip glosses, but I really didn't. So just had to stack stuff on top of each other. I just have my mini lip glosses in here, Anastasia, Marc Jacobs. I got Ruby Kisses, Morphe in here. What else? Yeah, I said Morphe. Juvia's Place is somewhere at the bottom. Girl, I just try to fit what I can. Got my lip oils in here, some ColourPop. For those of you all that are new, this is a 7-tier organizer, and I purchased this from Amazon. It is a bit pricey, but I mean, you can just, if you want something similar, you can just stack organizers on top. But I'm an organizer fiend, so I didn't mind paying the money for this. I will leave it linked down below just in case you want something like this for your makeup. I want y'all to see how pretty they are, just up there. That was my vision. And these are some of the newer shades. So yeah, so pretty. I got every single shade except from one in here. I got one in my purse that I keep in my purse. I got every single shade. So yeah, I got all of those. And then I got BH Cosmetics back here. I found these little, like these big lip glosses at like Marshall's and TJ Maxx. So they're just back here chilling. So pretty. And then over here I got all of my, I have all of my Fenty lip glosses. Let's see what it looks like when I close it. So, oh, gorgeous, so pretty. So those are all of my Fenty lip glosses over there. And I still got room to grow. I got a lot of room. And this is the Fenty Gloss Bomb. I just wanted to keep the box for a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you love makeup collection videos, make sure you guys comment down below, like this video. Make sure you subscribe if you like what you see. If you're just stopping by, that is fine too. And I will talk to you guys later in another video. Bye.